Are you tired of dealing with persistent acne that affects your confidence and self-esteem? Look no further than Aklief Medication, a revolutionary skincare solution that is transforming lives by providing clear and healthy skin. Aklief Medication is a game-changer in the world of skincare, offering a unique formula that effectively targets the underlying causes of acne. By unclogging pores, reducing inflammation, and regulating excess oil production, Aklief Medication not only treats current breakouts but also prevents future ones from occurring. But Aklief Medication is more than just a treatment for acne, it is a confidence booster. With clearer skin, you can feel confident in your appearance, leading to improved self-esteem and a more positive outlook. Developed by leading dermatologists and backed by extensive clinical research, Aklief Medication is safe, effective, and suitable for all skin types. Its gentle yet powerful formulation delivers remarkable results, helping you achieve the clear and glowing complexion you've always desired. Don't let acne hold you back any longer. Experience the transformative power of Aklief Medication and embrace a happier, more confident you. Understanding acne and its impact on confidence. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by the presence of pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and sometimes even cysts on the face, back, chest, and shoulders. While acne is often associated with teenagers going through puberty, it can affect people of all ages. The impact of acne on one's confidence and self-esteem should not be underestimated. Acne can cause feelings of embarrassment, shame, and even depression. It can make individuals feel self-conscious about their appearance, leading to social anxiety and a reluctance to engage in activities that require face-to-face interaction. The psychological toll of acne can be devastating, affecting relationships, academic or professional performance, and overall quality of life. That is why finding an effective solution to treat and manage acne is crucial not only for physical health but also for mental well-being. The science behind Aklief Medication. Aklief Medication stands out in the crowded skincare market due to its unique scientific approach to treating acne. Unlike many other acne treatments that focus solely on targeting the symptoms, Aklief Medication tackles the root causes of acne to provide long-lasting results. The active ingredient in Aklief Medication is Trifarotene, a fourth-generation retinoid. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A and have been widely used in dermatology for their ability to regulate cell turnover and reduce inflammation. Trifarotene, specifically, is a breakthrough in retinoid technology, as it specifically targets the receptors responsible for acne development. By binding to these receptors, Trifarotene helps normalize the skin's cell turnover process, preventing the buildup of dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing redness and swelling associated with acne. In addition to its targeted approach, Aklief Medication is formulated with other key ingredients that enhance its efficacy. These ingredients work synergistically to provide a comprehensive solution to acne, addressing multiple factors that contribute to its development. How Aklief Medication works. Aklief Medication is available in the form of a topical cream that is applied directly to the affected areas of the skin. It is recommended to use Aklief Medication once daily, preferably in the evening, after cleansing and drying the skin. To apply Aklief Medication, take a pea-sized amount and gently massage it into the skin until fully absorbed. Avoid contact with the eyes, mouth, and any broken or irritated skin. If accidental contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. Consistency is key when using Aklief Medication. It may take several weeks to start seeing noticeable improvements in your skin, so it is important to be patient and stick to the recommended regimen. Over time, you will begin to experience a reduction in acne lesions, smoother skin texture, and a more even complexion. It is worth noting that some individuals may experience a temporary worsening of acne during the initial weeks of using Aklief Medication. This is known as the purging phase and is a normal part of the skin's adjustment process. The purging phase occurs as Aklief Medication works to unclog pores and eliminate trapped debris, bringing underlying acne lesions to the surface. Once this phase subsides, the skin will gradually improve. Aklief Medication Success Stories. The success stories of individuals who have used Aklief Medication are truly inspiring. People from all walks of life have experienced the transformative power of this skincare solution, gaining not only clearer skin but also a renewed sense of confidence and self-acceptance. One such success story is Emily, a 28-year-old woman who had struggled with severe cystic acne since her teenage years. Despite trying various treatments and spending a significant amount of money on skincare products, nothing seemed to work for her. Emily's self-esteem took a hit, and she often avoided social situations due to her acne. When Emily discovered Aklief medication, she was initially skeptical but decided to give it a try as a last resort. To her surprise, within a few weeks of consistent use, she noticed a significant improvement in her skin. The painful cystic acne began to subside, and her complexion became smoother and more even. As her acne cleared, Emily's confidence soared. She started attending social events without fear of judgment and even pursued new career opportunities. Aklief medication not only transformed her skin but also gave her the confidence to embrace her true self. Emily's story is just one of many, highlighting the life-changing impact that Aklief medication can have on individuals struggling with acne. The key is to stay committed to the treatment and believe in the transformative power of clear and healthy skin. Tips for using Aklief medication effectively. To maximize the benefits of Aklief medication, it is important to incorporate certain skincare practices into your daily routine. Here are some tips to help you use Aklief medication effectively. Cleanse your face gently. Before applying Aklief medication, wash your face with a mild cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. Avoid harsh soaps or cleansers that can strip the skin of its natural oils, as this can lead to dryness and irritation. Moisturize regularly. Aklief medication can sometimes cause dryness or flaking, especially during the initial phase of treatment. To minimize these side effects, use a gentle moisturizer after applying Aklief medication. Look for non-comedogenic formulas that won't clog pores. Protect your skin from the sun. Aklief medication can increase the skin's sensitivity to the sun, so it is crucial to wear sunscreen daily. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours, especially if you are spending time outdoors. Be patient. Results from Aklief medication may not be immediate, and it can take several weeks to see noticeable improvements. Stick to the recommended regimen and resist the temptation to use more than the prescribed amount, as this can lead to irritation. Consult with a dermatologist. If you have any concerns or questions about using Aklief medication, it is always advisable to consult with a dermatologist. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific skin type and condition. By following these tips, you can optimize the effectiveness of Aklief medication and achieve the best possible results for your skin. Potential side effects and precautions. While Aklief medication is generally well tolerated, it is important to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. Some individuals may experience mild to moderate skin irritation, such as redness, dryness, or peeling, especially during the initial weeks of treatment. If you experience severe or persistent irritation, it is recommended to reduce the frequency of application or temporarily discontinue use until the symptoms subside. However, if the irritation persists or worsens, it is advisable to consult with a dermatologist. It is also important to note that Aklief medication should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women, as its safety in these populations has not been established. Additionally, individuals with known allergies to any of the ingredients in Aklief medication should avoid using it. As with any skincare product, it is always recommended to perform a patch test before applying Aklief medication to your entire face. This involves applying a small amount of the product to a small area of your skin and monitoring for any adverse reactions. Where to buy Aklief medication? Aklief medication is available by prescription only, so it is important to consult with a dermatologist to determine if it is the right treatment option for you. Your dermatologist will assess your skin condition, medical history, and individual needs to determine the appropriate dosage and duration of treatment. Once prescribed, Aklief medication can be obtained from select pharmacies or through online platforms authorized to dispense prescription medications. It is important to ensure that you are purchasing Aklief medication from a reputable source to guarantee its authenticity and quality. Frequently asked questions about Aklief medication. Is Aklief medication suitable for all skin types? Yes, Aklief medication is formulated to be suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. However, it is always recommended to consult with a dermatologist before starting any new skincare regimen. Can Aklief medication be used in combination with other skincare products? Aklief medication can be used in combination with other skincare products, but it is advisable to avoid using other potentially irritating or drying treatments at the same time. Consult with a dermatologist to determine the best skincare routine for your specific needs. Can Aklief medication be used as a spot treatment? Aklief medication is intended to be used on the entire affected area, rather than as a spot treatment. Applying it to the entire face helps prevent future breakouts and promotes overall skin health. How long does it take to see results with Aklief medication? Results with Aklief medication may vary from person to person, but noticeable improvements can be expected after several weeks of consistent use. It is important to be patient and continue using the medication as prescribed to achieve optimal results. Conclusion: embracing clear skin and confidence with Aklief medication. Acne can take a toll on one's confidence and self-esteem, but with Aklief medication, clear and healthy skin is within reach. This revolutionary skincare solution is transforming lives by targeting the root causes of acne and providing long-lasting results. With Aklief medication, you can say goodbye to persistent breakouts and hello to a happier, more confident you. Developed by leading dermatologists and backed by extensive clinical research, Aklief medication is a safe and effective treatment option for individuals of all skin types. By understanding the science behind Aklief medication, using it effectively, and taking necessary precautions, you can experience the transformative power of this skincare solution. Say goodbye to acne and embrace clear skin and confidence with Aklief medication. Your journey towards a happier, more confident you starts today. Thanks for watching.